create one more scenario. Okay, our scenario is what? Go to the transaction code OBB8. Go to the transaction code OBB8. Now go to the position and take out the payment terms. Payment terms things PR01. Yeah, this payment terms for vendor. Okay, simple all of you. Now here under the payment terms, installments and fixed date calculations is not there, right? Okay, you got my point, right? Now what will happen when it comes to the fixed date calculations and all? Okay, now remove this number of 10 days. Remove this number of 10 days. Yeah, just give here fixed date. Fixed day is 10 days. I mean 10th date. And above there is a baseline date calculations. Remove the baseline date, fixed date and additional months. Above baseline date calculation is there, right? Above. Remove the fixed date and additional months. All right, go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Now what will happen, all of you? So give slash in, go to the transaction code FB60. Go to the transaction code FB60. Now give the vendor. Give the vendor and invoice date 30.07.2024 and give the amount. Give the purchase raw material and GL account and go to the amount in document currency. Click on the enter and go to the payment tab. Now see, all of you, 10.07.2024 is the same thing. Okay, if you give the amount as 10.07.2024, okay, that is 09.08.2024, system will going to give you the same result. You got my point, right? System will going to give you the same result. Okay, in OBB8 transaction code, what it is saying, go to the new screen, take out the OBB8 and go to the position and take out the PR01. What it is saying of you basically, or okay, fixed days, number of days or fixed date and additional month. Okay, so fixed date, you don't have additional month, you have given. See, it is saying term percentage number of days or fixed day and additional months. Okay, so if you give the 10th data, system will going to calculate the cash discount from the 10th July 2024, 10th August 2024, 10th September 2024. Like this, you can able to do it. You got my point, right? So you can able to directly give the baseline date calculation above things, or else if you don't want to have the, if you don't have the interest to give the baseline date calculation, fixed date and additional month, directly you can able to give it here. Okay, you got my point. Automatically system will going to change the baseline date to the 10th of every month. Okay, so that is the choice that we have. Okay, so this is the way you can able to do it. Now come back to the FB60 screen. Come back to the FB60 screen. Now go to the simulate option. Go to the simulate option and save the details and come back to the FBL1N screen. Now we will going to see it. So previously it was 09.09.2024. Now it is in 09.08.2024. Okay, go to the transaction code FBL1N. Go to the transaction code FBL1N. Yeah, go to the continue option and go to the change layout. So for this 7,000 rupees, what is the net due date, all of you? 09.08.2024. Okay. Why? Because we have already changed the date based on the baseline date only. So it will going to calculate the things 09.08.2024. Okay, so this is the scenario for each and every vendor payment terms and customer payment terms. Okay, all of you. So please try to do all these configurations and all, and as well as please try to apply all these things for the customers also. Same thing. Okay, we have done in the installment payment term, right? So assign it to the customers. See, if you take out the only one installment payment term and normal payment terms, and if you have same cash discounts for vendors as well as the customers, you can directly assign it. Otherwise, you need to change you need to change each and everything. Okay, so this is the scenarios that we have in payment terms. I think so. We have covered each and everything, right? Go to the syllabus. No, no, go up. Installment payment terms we have done, and payment terms fixed date calculations and baseline date and additional month also we have done it. Okay, try to write on after the baseline date, comma, additional months. Try to write down additional months also, comma, additional months. Okay, please try to practice these scenarios, all of you. If you are having any doubts and all, post it. Do you have any doubts, all of you? And we have the scenario that is automatic payment program. What you need to do is, all of you, just post the post the invoices. Okay, post the invoices for vendors. Okay, and go for the F110. Okay, automatically you can able to get the cash discount based on the dates and all. Okay. So do it. See, if I tell you one thing, you need to go for the another also.